Hi, welcome to Hey Kitchen. Today we are going to do granola bar. And to do this we need 1 big cup of oats, half cup of granola, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1.5 tablespoon of jaggery, and lot of variety of nuts and raisins of your choice. I'm using cashew nuts, almonds, sunflower seeds, walnuts, raisin and fig. You can also add dates, which will also make it very healthy because it has got a lot of iron content in it. So let's see the process. First thing is to roast the oats in a pan, and we are going to powder it. Roasted the oats for a few seconds just to give a nice aroma. Now I'm going to powder it. I'm roasting the sesame seeds with a little ghee. Once the sesame seeds are roasted, keep it aside, and now we are roasting the nuts. If you have roasted nuts, you don't need to do this part. After roasting the nuts, mix all the ingredients together. I'm going to add the honey and I'm going to add the jaggery as well. After mixing it well, I'm going to microwave it for a few seconds, and again I'll be mixing it, and then again I'll be putting it in the microwave for a few seconds, and I will mix it and I'll show you. Because I'm adding very little of jaggery, I'll be sprinkling little milk. If you add a little more jaggery, you don't need to do that. Now I put it in a greased pan, and I'm going to add little ghee on top and press it well. Now I pressed it well on the pan, and I'm going to leave it to cool. The time I used microwave is just 1 minute totally, and I used 2 tablespoons of milk. As I said, if you have added dates and if you added little more jaggery, then you don't need the milk. You just have to see whether it comes together. If not, add a little bit of milk. Once the granola bar is cool, you can cut them to pieces and store them.